corn and coconut challenge, guys. Today we came with one of the most hardest challenge. I don't know. I feel like this is going to be hard, but I'm hoping that I'm going to win, okay? Anyways, if this is the first time tuning in, follow, like, comment, and share because I don't want it to be too much. Abby?
Yeah.
So which one are you carrying? Why are you carrying that? Why are you not carrying this one?
This one, I'm the man, and this one is even bigger. You should be praying and thanking God I'm taking the bigger
See the one I'm carrying. Can you imagine?
What do you want to say about it?
Carry your coconut. So,
the champion is back again.
Champion waiting Guinea is back.
Real Madrid.
Which Real Madrid? Chelsea. Chelsea. I must make sure say when they proud.
Chelsea has not missed champions.
Oh yeah, moderator. Wait, moderator, wait. Oh yeah.
Separately.
We eat alongside the coconut.
That's your business. Yeah, you want to eat.
Ready?
Don't press me so that I don't.
Wait, you don't touch me. You don't touch me.
1, 2, ready, go.
Remember Russian. That one is soft too.
Which my phone is soft? Don't make me talk. Oh.
It's my phone, you put it though. I'm sure. You guys, turn me up.
Chelsea.
Turn me up, man. I am Madrid. One controller.
Yeah.
One controller. Pick it.
Can I drink water?
No,
Which one?
not drinking of water.
This is the book on your mouth. You chop it today. I'm pressing my hand. This is my champion hand. I'm finally the one that I cannot go to toilet tomorrow.
I'm not swallowing him.
Oh, it's strong. Don't try this at home. What of here?
Go on, eat. Chelsea.
The God is laughing.
Ew.
This was now. What's that? Is that anything I saw here? See,
Eat fast now.
Welcome. Exactly.
Sharp.
Don't you? Eat it.
Sorry. That is all you. Take hands.
I'm not eating it.
Chelsea. Baba Blake. Your gun is falling.
Bring it so.
Your gun is
See some, come here. See some. See my own. Crystal clear.
Who is the winner? Ah.
What are you doing now?
Find out when I will finish.
Give me my own water.
Please.
Give me my own water. I'm done now.
The final.
Give me. I'm done now. No, you cannot do like that.
The final winner
It's a lie. It's a lie. We are talking about it's only corn. Once you are done chewing, you are supposed to drink your water.
You finish the water in the water, please.
I will finish the water.
The final winner.
Give me.
Go and catch them all. No.
Finish it.
Let one drop down in inside.
Press everything.
Keep water.
Shege Banza. This is the one I showed him.
Water.
What? See what? Which
And
water?
it's true. Mommy, water is
Water.
See which water?
I'll tell you how to do it.
Do you want me to chop the nylon? 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 How person won't take win again?
Not nylon, nylon.
Nylon. Nylon. Well, I go stone you this thing for your face.
So
So
that's
talk again. 1 month talk again. Talk again if I not blind you. With this win, what we wait and see if he headache, why they find paracetamol now to take. You want to find error. Where is corn? See corn. What is this? Is this not two corn? Is this
That is your own.
eh?
that one is your own, mommy. That sugar is your own.
Okay, now I to get this slim stick.
Short one.
Now my stick be this.
Is your gun.
Thank God, the people that are watching, you guys can see that my stick is fully entertained. A winner na winner. I tell you say you no fit walk again. Na cucumber na your strength stop. Cucumber. Na by wearing wig. Na to go wear my wig na be the issue.
This is not my natural hair.
It's your natural hair, Mr. Natural. Let me end the camera.
Winner.
We now wear the cap.
To come on, shift that cap for my front. End the camera. You cannot shake your champion. You cannot shake your champion. You cannot shake your champion.
End.